When you're taking a big decision, the most common advice that you get is just think about, will it matter in 5 years? And I feel this somehow doesn't apply to big decisions because they are big because they'll matter in 5 years. So, for example, if you're taking a job, you're choosing a life partner, or you're choosing a place to live, of course, it'll affect your life in 5 years. So, what is the right question to ask about such decisions? You should tweak the question, will this matter in 5 years? Instead of asking that, what about it will matter more in 5 years? The decision that I am taking, or how I pursue it, or how I behave after I have taken it. So, what I'm trying to say is that, suppose, let's talk about moving countries. You move to another country, how you show up after taking that decision. There is no perfect decision in life. Okay, every decision will have some good and bad consequences. It's all about taking an informed decision and then making peace with it. So, when you move to another country, how you're going to show up after that, how you're going to live up to the expectations that you have with yourself, how you're going to persevere in that situation, all that is going to matter rather than the decision itself. Because, as I said, there is no perfect choice in life. You have to take decisions and then you have to make peace with them. But that doesn't also mean that you have to, sometimes you make bad decisions and you have to live with them all the time. You should have the courage to start over. Sometimes that is what is needed. But there is value in thinking about what matters the most about that decision. How is it going to change your life? And once you take that decision, and if it doesn't work out, then how are you going to push back? How are you going to start over? And that, I feel somehow takes the pressure off when it comes to big decisions.